I'm Dr. Malia Sharvat, the CEO and founder of Savonix. In the field of dementia, there's a lot of focus on Alzheimer's disease, and that's probably because it's the most common type of dementia. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by changes in memory, specifically episodic memory, which is the memory of events, like a conversation that you had or experiences that you've had in your past, and also verbal memory, so memory of words. When it comes to screening for dementia, screening for memory feels intuitive, but when we just screen for memory, we miss a lot. A study by Hessen and colleagues in 2014 found that 2 years prior to the diagnosis of dementia, when a simple memory screen was performed, it was able to correctly identify 29% of the patients that went on to be diagnosed with dementia. Whereas when a multi-domain cognitive screen was performed, that test was able to properly identify 60% of people who went on to be diagnosed with dementia 2 years later.